Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Douglas Imaswen Honeyberry, and here with me is
Praise Douglas Sweetberry.
Alright, so we're here again to talk about our life here in the UK. And previously we did a video about how we got an accommodation, and
we share tips as well.
Tips as well on how we got the accommodation. Then we are now doing another video to take you on a house tour. To take you on a house on our 2-bedroom apartment, so you have a look on how it is.
Yeah.
So before we proceed, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please kindly drop your comments, like, and share the video.
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up, and hopefully that will encourage us to create more content. So it won't cost you any data. Please just click on the subscription button. And thanks in advance. So quickly, we'll be taking you on a house. So just want to give you a feel. Okay, we're currently let's introduce one and only
Chocoberry, aka Chocoberry. So come and say hi. Peace. Bye. Hello. Come in. You're welcome to the Berries apartment. You can come in. You're welcome to officially the Berries apartment. Alright guys, come, let me show you, give you a tour. So when you come into the house for the first time, the first place you'll see are 2 rooms. Okay, coming to my daughter's room. Guys, we are just trying to set the whole place. And this one, say hi. So this is Adeswa's room. When we came here, there was nothing in this place, so we just started, because it's a 2-bedroom unfurnished apartment, so we got all of this ourselves. This was bed, her mattress, everything. Even this was we had to get this set up for her so that she can give us a little bit space. Susu, you love your room? Yes. Okay. All right, so guys, this is the first place you see. We are still trying to set up her room. You can see we've not been able to get her wardrobe and all of that, but hopefully we'll get it. All right, so come after now we get our own room, guys. I don't want to talk much, but we'll still try to fit it ourselves. But you can see this is just what we've been able to get. We've been able to get our mattress. So though we've already ordered for the bed base, hopefully it's going to get here in the next 2 days. That's what they told us. So this is it, and after here hola. Okay, so I and Honeyberry will always love doing so many things on a desk. Like all our houses will always have like a mini office. I don't know how to put it, but we always love it. So because of that, we got this decks. All right, guys, if you actually have an unfurnished apartment, you can actually get things from a charity store. They are less expensive compared to getting things in so we got most of the things you see in this house, we got them from the charity store. So this is the place. I don't know what to call here, but
studio. This is our studio. It's still under construction. We're still working out
exactly something. So basically I'm thinking if we can get a mini and dining stool here. That's what we are thinking. We are trying to get like a 4-seater dining stool, a small one, but that's it. I saw this and I got it, so I can actually be checking myself. Come. So guys, I think this is the lounge. Is it lounge or parlor?
Sitting room.
I'm waiting to come. Okay. This is it. Okay. As you can see, like I said, there was nothing in this place when we came here. So the sofa, the center table, the TV, everything you see here we actually got it. The TV stand is supposed to be here, but we've not been able to get the TV stand yet. I've already started making arrangements to get one. We've already started making arrangements. Then we got this beautiful artworks as well. So guys, you can see this place is still in work in progress. You can see we've not been able to get the blinds. We've not been able to get the blinds. So here it's still very much open. I like the view actually. You can come around, you know, sometimes and look at the view. It's lovely. I think so. So guys, that is it. Hey, come. So let me take you guys to the kitchen. I think that's the only place remaining. So from here, this is like the parlor, the office, the dining, and hula. Okay, so this is like the kitchen. Though it's not very spacious, but it's okay. It's okay. We can still do what we want to do. All right. I just finished washing all of this, so but you can see what I'm trying to say. The microwave is there, the breast toaster, and this is the fridge. Okay, so this is the what's it called? This is the toilet or the bathroom. All right, it's cool, it's okay. This is how it looks like. So guys, this is it. It's okay. I mean, this is a family of 3, so it's very much okay. So from here you come down. We actually have a garden down. Yeah, we have a garden down, guys.
I think I have an apple tree there.
Oh,
I'm not sure if it's not apple. I'm going to convert it to apple. Maybe I'll plug one for you guys to see.
So guys, this is like the backyard of the place. There's one dog here. I hope the dog doesn't come out. This is like the backyard of the place. We already dried some clothes here. I think I am freezing. This is for this one. Let me climb. This is actually for this one, guys. We actually met this here, which is good, right? She always comes here and she jumps and jumps. Guys, what do you think about this tree? Mother said this is an apple tree, but I doubt.
Plug one and see. It's still growing.
This is not an apple tree. This is not an apple tree. See, how is this an apple tree? This is definitely not an apple tree, guys. It's not.
3 months time, we'll know.
I think it's okay. I have to pack all of these clothes, guys. I have to pack it now so that I can go in. Oh. We actually have the washing machine inside, but the washing machine doesn't have a dryer. So after washing, we have to come out and, you know, spread the clothes just for it to get dry. Okay. Sleepy. Okay, that's it. Let's go in. So that's it for this. I hope we are able to enjoy my house tour. What is it? Go and close the door. Okay, I think that's all. So, yippee!
Come back, guys, and I guess you must have seen the rooms. I've seen the sitting room, and you know, the UK houses, the rooms are not as big as,
they are very. Have you noticed it?
And I don't know if you guys noticed something.
What?
Okay, let me explain. No, normally most houses you see the bathroom inside maybe the room or like
yes.
If you observe the bathroom, once you walk into the kitchen,
from the kitchen you enter the bathroom.
From the kitchen
like
enter the bathroom.
most of the houses.
Most of the houses, like
yes.
we could tell that 8 among 10 we.
I really don't know why they do their house.
So I have a friend who got a 3-bedroom apartment. The 3-bedroom apartment just having 1 toilet and bathroom.
They are stingy with this toilet.
As in, like, when I mean 1 toilet and bathroom, they don't have an exemption for guests. Just that one for the 3-bedroom.
I think people they don't want people to visit and use anybody's toilet.
So even if it's a 2-bedroom flat, it's just one
toilet and bedroom.
So and they see just by maybe I don't know, they want it to, or maybe they feel the bathroom is definitely will be neat, so it has no issue being close to the kitchen, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
So
it's okay.
It's just a glimpse of
what it looks like.
What it looks like of our 2-bedroom apartment. And as time goes on, when we have more features in the house or have other information, we'll always update you guys.
Yeah, that's it. I hope you love this mini tour and you've seen what our house looks like, right? So just let me know what you think about it, and if you have any question, you need any clarification, please drop it on the comment. We both will definitely try as much as possible to respond, okay? And please guys, ensure you subscribe. If you've watched up to this time and you have not subscribed, why not? Encourage your small, just, it doesn't take you how many minutes. You just click on subscribe and turn on the red notification bell for more updates. I promise it's going to be educative and entertaining as well.
And I think we'll have I just thought of something.
What?
After this video, I think we need to, people don't really know much about us though.
Talk much about ourselves, right? So if you want to know more about us, please just subscribe. Please subscribe so we can give you, at least so you get to know us more in person.
Our journey in marriage and life, our transition from Nigeria to
Dubai,
from Dubai to UK. And it's going to be an interesting moment. It's just I don't know, but everyone has his or her own story that aligns with some things that we'll be going through or you must have gone through. When you hear them, you feel that, oh, I think I'm not the only one passing through the same phase or the same journey or career. So we just learn from each other and just keep ourselves going and moving forward. So thank you so much. Don't waste your time. See you in our next episode. Cheers. Man.